So I'm cooking octopus now, the tandoori octopus. Already, this is a frozen octopus. So if you buy the fresh, we need to frozen to break the fiber. So already frozen. I buy this is a Spanish octopus, and so how we'll do? I will put the octopus in a pot, and then room temperature or cold water, and then I will add a spice, ginger, garlic, and coriander root, and then I will leave it to cook for first boil. The first boil come, and then I will put for 1.5 hours. And we have coriander root. We have some garlic. Some ginger. And we put the spice as well. So the spice, I will put the chili powder. So this is for the first process to boil. And then we have turmeric and salt, and also put the whole spice. So we're going to put the cardamom, black pepper, fennel, coriander seeds. So we have cardamom, we have cloves. It's a quite a very strong flavor. Then we have a black pepper and some bay leaf. So I try to put as much flavorful spice so they can cook together and become flavor together. So bay leaf. Then I will leave it in a heat. So and you can bring it. So we have a boiled octopus now already. Okay. And we'll keep it here. So now I have ready. And what we'll do now, we'll leave a little bit cold water. So it's cool down and clean the stain. Sorry. I'm going to dip piece this one. So we'll take it out this one. Okay. We need coriander chop, ginger, garlic, chili powder, turmeric, garam masala. Garam masala is a spice blend, mixed spice blend, garam masala. Then we have the salt. So we have to be very careful with the salt because we put the salt in the water as well. So the garam masala, chili powder, turmeric, coriander powder. Yeah, that's all. And a little bit mustard oil. We put the ginger and garlic. So garlic I want to get chopped and put there. Okay, so a little bit yogurt. And I will mix with the hand. So we're going to add a little bit lemon juice there. And that's it. So I will leave it for 1 hour. This one. We have a baby potato. This one we're going to marinate with similar marination to that, and we'll cook in the tandoor as well. So a little bit turmeric, chili powder, garam masala, with salt, and we're going to add a little bit ginger garlic paste, and with lemon juice, and some yogurt, and I'm going to use a little bit chili oil. So chili oil, we make chili from out of the chili. So chili powder soak in for like 2-3 days, and that come color. You can see. So this is tandoori aloo now. You have ready this one. So chef going to cook in a tandoori aloo and octopus as well, please. This one is Colocasia leaf terrine, called arbi. Arbi is one kind of root vegetable, and the Colocasia leaf is a rainy season they come, and I make the terrine. Terrine make with the gram flour. So again, this is a gluten free and dairy free as well. So gram flour mixed with ginger garlic paste, mango powder, and carom seeds, and bit oil, chili powder, and then a layer 1, 2, 3, and then roll it and kill and fill, and we do the 1.5 hour steam. So got solid. This is a layer leaf, and then we cut it in a slice, and then I will put a little bit butter and pan fry, and we serve with the octopus. Colocasia leaf, you just need to remove it. A little bit of butter in this one. So we have Colocasia leaf ready, terrine, and ready to serve. So octopus we use lavene, tahini paste, yogurt, garlic, and chives. So we'll put some dip dot. We have lavene. Then we have a coriander chutney. Chef, can you pass me the octopus, please?
Sure.
And then we have Colocasia leaf terrine and tandoori aloo. And then we have octopus. And then we have, for a texture, we have a puff quinoa. And then we have a fish. And then, yeah, so we have ready. Octopus.